Tired of boring video cuts? Let's dive into After Effects and create a killer stinger transition in just 90 seconds. First, open Adobe After Effects and start a new project. Then, let's create a new composition, name it something like Stinger Transition, and set your desired dimensions and frame rate, keeping them consistent with your video's specifications for standard use. 1920 by 1080 at 24 or 30 frames per second is a great starting point. In your composition settings, set the duration of your stinger transition, keep it short, ideally under a second. For a snappy feel now, create a new solid layer. This will be the base for our transition. Choose a color you like, and apply some visual effects. A simple approach could be to use the fractal noise effect. Adjust the settings of this effect to create an interesting evolving pattern. Experiment with the complexity and contrast sliders to achieve the desired look. We'll also use the glow effect to make our transition pop. Time to bring that stinger transition into life. To create movement in your effect, keyframe its parameters. For example, keyframe the evolution parameter of the fractal nose to make it move throughout the duration of your transition. Now, add some text or graphic, whatever suits your personal style. Position and animate it in a way that complements the effect. Adjust its position, scale and rotation, keeping in mind of where your video footage will appear. To smoothly transition between your videos, you'll need an alpha mask. Create a new solid layer and mask it with an appropriate shape. Animate this mask to reveal or hide the top layer, and export it with an appropriate QuickTime format. Select the appropriate codec. When this is done, render your stinger transition with an alpha channel, so it blends seamlessly with your footage. Import it to your editing software and place it between your video clips. Congratulations! Now enjoy your awesome stinger transition.